Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Let me ask, how much of the Niger Delta do you know? Well, let's listen to a traditional ruler from Ekiti State, who I can say, without a doubt, is indeed a Niger Deltan.
My name is His Royal Majesty, the Olore Odua, Oba Adekunle Adeagbo, the Ore of Ekiti State. I finished from University of Ife and I was posted to Niger Delta, where I worked in Shekelewu, Ogudugudu, Ogbembri, Batan, Odidi 1 and 2, Egwa, Focados, Escravos, Opokumako Lokuma, Sabagria, Sagbama, Nembe, Ofoboko, Kula Belema, Kotonchane 1, 2, 3, Obiobi, Obrikom, Elele, Okrika, One, Isiokpo, all the way to Ibuno. Crisscrossing Delta, Bayelsa, Rivers, Akwa Ibom, and I'm an Ekiti king. Meaning that this is a country of over 300 nationalities. Unity, unity, unity. That's our focus.
Inside the Niger Delta,